Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, the time has finally arrived to add more power to my BMW 335 with the N54. And that power add are some catless downpipes. So we're gonna do a full DIY install like how I always do it here on this channel. Give it to you step by step. We'll add this in. We'll also go over, before and after as far as, so you can hear what it is with the stock exhaust, right? With my setup that I have on the car. And then of course the difference with the catless downpipes on there. And then I'll go over some different stuff as well. In addition to that, I will be able to run my map 2 with my custom back-end flash. So just a little history of kind of my setup on the car that I have right now. As far as from the tuning side, what I have on my car, so I have the JB4 G5 ISO. I have that on map 1 as of right now. I have a custom back-end flash that's on there. And I get about 16 to 17-ish PSI on 93 octane. And then I run, map 7, which will target 20 PSI. That's still with my stock downpipes that are on the car. And it held it wonderfully, right around the 19 mark, which is actually really good, for what I have, currently on the car. So with the catless downpipes that we'll have on, then I'll be able to bump up to map 2. So it's gonna be a lot more consistent running catless downpipes with that higher boost level. So just the car's gonna operate just that much better. I'm gonna definitely get a bump as far as in power, no doubt, just because of my setup and how much boost I am trying to push out. But I'm looking forward to the sound. I still have this stock secondaries, especially with the E90, so it's gonna sound perfect. I'm not gonna change anything else like that. So, and then with the stock mufflers, it's the best of both worlds as far as sound goes from that perspective. So looking forward to that. Looking forward to sharing that with you guys, of course. The install and then all the other videos to come next after that. So definitely excited and more stuff to come. I am going to see what else I can also add maybe at the same time or check on. So we'll have some more additional videos to come from that way. So there's plenty of good manufacturers out there as far as downpipes go. So these are the Burger Motorsports ones that they stopped selling a while ago. So I was able to pick these up. Plenty other good brands out there. Whichever ones that you guys are going with out there, they're definitely good. So looking forward to the video there to come with this. More added power, DIYs, some great videos right after that. All right guys, thanks for stopping in today. Big thumbs up. Check out the other informational videos that I have out on the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And definitely looking forward to these videos to come here. All right, have a good one and take care.